Alright guys, so hear me out. Yes, we did it. I'm so excited guys. Wow, we did it. I just can't imagine. I'm so excited to share with you guys. So I created a short video. It's not a tutorial. I can even put into words guys how I'm grateful am I right now. So I just want to share with you guys and tell you that we are officially hit the 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. Because without you I cannot be here. We cannot get into 1,000 subscribers. So that would have been possible without you guys, your support, your like, your share, your comment, and watching my videos. And I hope you learned something from it. So I created this video just to say thank you. I want to say thank you in person, like face to face if I can, but I think this is the only way that I can say my big thanks for all of you guys, wherever you are tuning from, wherever you are in, what country you are in, that you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys. Please let me know down in the comments if you're one of my subscribers and watching this video. Please type the comments where are you from. So I'm so grateful today with my YouTube journey. So you know what guys, my YouTube journey is actually started 2016, and how many years if you counted from 2016 and 2025, I just got 1,000 subscribers. But guys, that time I had no idea of AI, no knowledge of advanced technology, things like that. I just made video whenever I felt like it, and I wasn't consistent. I'm not consistent. And honestly, I don't know how to grow my channel. I just make a video and upload it. But then the time that I found out that like AI, ChatGPT, CANVA, CapCut, or other AI tools that you can use to edit your videos. So I'm passionate with that. I love doing that. So I start creating videos using AI for maybe if you watch some of my video tutorials, most of those are the tools that I'm using when creating a content, and of course I share it to you guys so that you can use it too. And maybe some of you already know that, maybe some of you are more professional than me. I'm not really good at it, but starting from zero, and my journey, my experience, I want to share with you guys, because I think all of us are starting from zero, but then again, we're not on the same level right now. Maybe some of you are on 1 million subscribers, or some of you have a big channel, but me is just getting started. So for those of you who are watching this video and you want to start a YouTube channel, you can do it guys. We all start from zero, and with your consistency, with your passion, or whatever you want to do, you can do it, you can make it. And so with all these AI tools came along, it really completely changed the game for me. I become passionate learning more about skills, about AI, technology, things like that, and using those technologies make my content creation more easier and more fun. That's what inspired me to start sharing my journey, sharing my skills, or sharing my experience to you guys by creating content, and do some tutorials that I have been working on it. And because of these tools help me, and I hope this could help others too. So this milestone is just a beginning. I have so many plans in the future. So if you are watching this video, and if you are starting your YouTube channel, your YouTube journey, I just want to let you know that if I can do it, you can do it too. So let's connect, and I'd love to hear what kind of videos that you are creating, or what type of niche that you are planning to start with on your channel. Please write down the comments guys. So yeah, let's connect and let's have fun working on this journey. So I'd love to hear from you guys. Let me know what kind of video that you want to see in the future, or you want me to create for you guys. just drop your thoughts, and if you are planning to start a YouTube channel, then share with me, guys, and let me know what niche you want to do in your channel, what are the ideas that you want to, so maybe I can help. And if you have any questions, just let me know down the comments, guys. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and be a part of our growing community. And I am so happy today, guys. This is February 27, 2025. And when I wake up in the morning, when I look at the phone and check my emails, and I saw it, I got 1K. So I am so happy, and thank you so. What I thinking about to do first is to create a short video, just to say thank you so much for all of you. Even though I don't know you in person, we're not seeing face to face, I think this is the only way that I can say thank you so much for all your support, for all the people who subscribe to my channel. So once again, thank you so much for being here, supporting me, and for believing in this journey. And here is the next chapter together. Thank you so much, and see you on my next video. Bye for now.